Hello everyone, very good morning, good afternoon and good evening. First of all, tell me, am I audible and am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Jia,
sir.
are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Perfectly clear, right?
Yes.
Oh, I was just checking my mic and it was not able. Perfect. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, last day of 2022. So how much you feel excited for the new year? Dhruvansh, what's your new year plan? Jia, Priyanka, tell me guys quickly, what's different or what's is your plan for 2023? Who will tell me first? Tell me, Jia.
I don't have any plans, so
No plan?
no.
No resolution?
No, I'm just maybe gonna clean up my room.
Okay. Vedant, what's New Year resolution?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. It's still you are still
Similar,
24 hours for decide, is it?
similar to Gia, we're moving right now, so to
Okay.
get everything in our new house.
Fine. And Dhruvansh, what about you?
No resolution.
Okay. Priyanka is also there. Yes, Priyanka. You share. What do you want to do? Huh?
Not decided.
Arre, Kanak is there. Kanak, are you still in New Zealand or you came back to Australia?
I'm still in New Zealand.
Enjoying?
Yes.
Where are photos? I want to do. You don't want to show me New Zealand? Where are photos, Kanak? And how is it? How is it different from Australia? Tell me. Different?
Not really any different.
Okay. What is your New Year resolution?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. See, all of you want to keep it secret. Perfect. So we'll start with obviously today's class. But before that, I want to ask one important question. Everybody think and tell me the. See, tomorrow Sunday, it will be 1st January. Afternoon for me. For some of you it will be 1st January morning, right? Especially people Ruans, Gia, and Vedant. So tell me, shall we do class tomorrow or no? Because if you are going to celebrate 31st December late night, then I don't want you to wake up early. So you decide and tell me if everybody is available, then we'll do it. Otherwise, we'll not do. So tell me, Vedant, Gia, Dhruvansh,
Sir, I'm available.
okay, Priyanka, Kanak, everybody tell me. Sunday, tomorrow, should we have a class or
But
not? So we can decide now.
I'm not sure, but I know there's a little celebration at the mandir.
Yeah.
That
Because generally
goes through.
31st December people do up to late night, right?
Yeah.
What, Gia? What do you want class tomorrow or no?
I don't know. I was gonna stay up till 12, so
So too
I
late then, right?
usually so I will be available because I usually sleep at 12. Like I slept at 12 yesterday, so I mean it's okay for me.
Priyanka, I'm okay. And Kanak, see, I'm okay too because I don't want people to like 1st January and early morning wake up and do classes. So I'm okay. Though I'm available full time. What do you think, guys? Even if one or two people also not there, we'll skip. But if everybody is available, then we'll do. Kanak, your choice.
I'm fine tomorrow because for us it's gonna be in the afternoon,
For
not
you
the
in
night.
the
So
for you will be almost evening, right?
yeah.
So Kanak is okay, Dhruvansh is okay, Jia is okay, Priyanka is okay. Some Mayank and Nazanin joined, but they should be okay. I don't know. Vedant is not sure. Vedant, what do you suggest? Like, should we
We can
skip
do
it?
class.
Pakka? Okay.
Yep.
What we'll do is, let's do one thing. Let's keep it on as of now. But if somebody come back, as soon as I get information, if somebody is not available, one or two people, I'll message on the keep watching a message on WhatsApp, same thing, okay? If it cancel, I'll message them. Message all of you on the same thing, okay? Right? So if you are changing mind, also tell me by tomorrow morning, okay? Okay, because you will know your plan at least in next 12 hours. So as of now, class is on. If any changes, you let me know. Then we'll cancel to everyone. Good, Dhruvansh?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So last time we started with mensuration. What is mensuration, Jia? Aril, you don't have to look at it. You tell me without looking at it.
Okay, wait. So I know it's a measurement of surface area and volumes
Right. Of what?
of like a 3D object. So like a
3D
cube,
Cuboid.
cone, cylinder.
Correct. Priyanka, what is the difference between cube and cuboid?
So, cuboid,
मुझे पता है, you know it. She's. Are you in new house today, or is looking more bright or more light?
no, sir.
अच्छा, बताओ. What is cube and cuboid difference?
The cube look like square shape and cuboid look like rectangular shape.
Correct. But how? Why? If you look from 2D perspective. But you are right. But how you technically differentiate, Dhruvansh?
So in a cube, all the sides are the same, but in a cuboid, they are all different.
The length of each side of cube is equal. The length of different side in cuboid may not be equal, or they will be different. They become cuboid, right? That's what she was trying somehow, right, Priyanka? Correct. Cube, cuboid. We talked about volume. We talked about total surface area. We talked about lateral surface area. Tell me, Kanak, what is difference between lateral surface area and total surface area? Kanak.
Lateral surface area is excluding the top and the base.
Right. Excluding top and the base, remaining 4 faces, you can set it lateral surface area. So Vedant, how many faces a cuboid has?
Okay, so 1 second.
And you are not on screen now.
Oh,
Yeah.
1 second. There's something wrong.
No
I
worries.
can't find my computer because we're packing everything.
No
So.
worries. You can tell the answer.
Okay, sorry. There is 6 faces.
6 faces. Now, what is the relation between faces, vertex, edges? What is the formula relation between we discussed, right?
Question.
What is the relation between faces, number of faces, number of vertex, number of edges? Euler's formula.
Um,
Who remember? Any one of you? Yes, Dhruvansh?
So F minus E plus V is equal to 2, in which F is for face, E is for edge, and V is for what?
Perfect. Right, everybody? Dhruvansh and all of. Now you have tried. I sent some homework to you on this or not? Let me check. How many of you tried that homework of mensuration? Where was that? This is the homework of mensuration, right? Did 171 to 175 you are able to do it or no? Anybody, any question from 171 to 175? Easy. What about 176 to 180? Volume, surface areas. What is the meaning of volume, Jia?
Volume is like length times width times height. Like basically
This is the formula, you're right. What is the meaning of significance of volume? What volume specifies?
it like specifies the size of it.
No. Priyanka, what is volume what volume specifies? Yes. Dhruvansh.
So is it like the amount of liquid that could be held in a 3D object?
Yeah, liquid or even solid or gas, doesn't matter. The point is, it's a capacity, right, Jia? Right, Priyanka? Capacity, the volume. Tomorrow, if I make some kind of this kind of box, it's a cuboid or cube? What do you think, guys?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. If I say, if I try to fill this box with, say, salt, you need volume, right? How much salt it can have. So volume is measure of capacity. So 176 to 180, you are able to do it. Naja, welcome. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I was just traveling. That's why. Sorry, sir.
No worries. So just we are discussing doubt and then we'll discuss the thing. So any question from 176 to 180 or in mensuration 181 to 185? All the 15 questions. Tell me, anybody, any confusion in any of the questions in mensuration? Naja, no?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, anyone. Perfect. So we'll start today's thing. But before that, Naja, you just joined. So we are discussing tomorrow. You want to have class or not on Sunday? Yes, okay. Okay. So the news as of now is our class will have tomorrow unless some of you come and message me, no, sir, late night party we are doing, so no class. Then I'll cancel. Otherwise, we are doing class. Cool? Perfect. Or if I change from my side, if I have some plan, then I'll also inform. Either way. So, cube, cuboid. Volume, lateral surface area, total surface area. Faces, edges and vertices. Now, today we are going to learn about some other figures of 3D shapes, which are, today we first talk about cylinder, cone and sphere. When I say sphere, hemisphere also, it's same thing, just half of it. Cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, what do you call it? Cylinder. Now, can anybody give one example in real life of cylinder? Any one of you? Any one example of cylinder? Yes, Duanj.
So water bottle.
Water bottle. Kind of a cylinder, though it's not exact because depend upon, but it's a cylinder. Okay, good. What else, Gia?
Like a round cylinder pencil holder.
Yes. Tell me, Naja. Everybody, one example of cylinder. Yes, Vedant.
Kind of tank, like a tank of water.
Correct. Naja, Priyanka. ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा. प्रियंका ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा. हाँ सर वो.
So, gas.
Gas cylinder. Okay. Naja.
There's some bags are like this. Some boxes to
Some
put like
boxes are like this. Yeah, everybody, in your house, everybody will have some object which is cylinder shape. Correct? Cylinder, cone, sphere. First we'll talk about cylinder. Now, okay, Michita is joining now. So let Michita also come. So very good morning, Michita.
Hi, sir.
Very good morning. You just wake up. It's so dark at your place.
Something wrong.
No worries. You are able to hear clearly. You are able to see me clearly. So, Michita, we were just discussing new topic on mensuration, cylinder, cone and sphere. I just started with cylinder. Okay. So guys, why it is cylinder is a 3D object? Anybody can explain me? Yes, Naja?
It has volume, length, and breadth.
Volume is separate. We'll come to that. It has a length or height, correct? So let's say this is my cylinder's length. Yes or no? Or height? So cylinder has a height. Then
It has a base.
base and all will come later. But if you see cylinder from like this, if you put, suppose this bottle is cylinder, if you put like this is width, right? Height we talked about. This is width. This is breadth. It is also a 3 dimension, right? height is there, width is there, or length is there, or that is why it's a 3D object, solid. Now, because it's a curvical object, we'll not call it as a width or breadth. We'll make it no different thing. But there are 3 dimensions. There is height, there is length or width, there is a breadth, or depth. Correct, everybody? Mishita? So now in cylinder, tell me, Mishita, if you have a cylinder at your home and if you look from the top, how it will look like, any cylinder?
Like a circle.
Like a circle. If you look from bottom, again circle, right, Mishita? So, the look from top, that is circular. Look from bottom, next look circular. So, they are flat, top, bottom are flat circular face. Yes or no? Jia, what is the meaning of this?
So the top and the bottom has a flat circular
So
face.
flat circular faces, right?
Mhm.
And this part, this part, is it a flat or curved? This part, Priyanka, this part is flat or curved?
So curved.
It's a curved, it's not flat. It's a curved surface. Correct, everybody? So cylinder is made up of 2 flat circular faces and 1 curved surface. Right, Mishita and everyone? So the way you define is, you call this as a base. It's a base, and base is circular, everybody agree? So what is the area of circle?
360.
What is the area of circle formula? This circle, right?
Pi r squared.
Pi r square, right? So if I want this circular area is pi r square, agree or not? Area of base is circular, whose area is pi r square. When I say pi r square, what is r here?
Radius.
Radius of the base, center point. This is r, correct? Right, Taja? Let me make a different line, blue color. This is radius, or this is radius. We already talked about radius in our circle chapter, right? This is our radius, radius of the base. So you can find out area of the base as pi r square. Now I am going to give you very practical application. Assume this is a cylinder. Have you seen the some CD box? How we put DVDs box, the big ones?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen one CD? How CD looks like? CD looks like a circle. So what will be area of one CD? Pi r square. Agree? No, Mishita, if I said this box height is h, and imagine, everybody imagine, there's a box, you are keeping 1 CD, 2 CD, 3 CD, 4 CD, 5 CD, 6 CD, 7 CD. You are filling the box completely from this base till here. So you are filling it till you fill the full box. So it will go up to what height from here to here? H height, right? Each area of one CD is pi r square. And if you are filling up to full height, this becomes your volume because you filled the box, right? As imagine you have a box, you kept 1 CD inside, you kept 2nd CD inside, 3rd CD on top of each other. Imagine. So what you're filling? You're filling a box with 1 CD, 2 CD, 3 CD, 4 CD, 5 CD, up to the height h, till it fills the full height. So what is actually it is? It's a volume, right? Because you're filling the full capacity of the cylindrical box, right? Understanding or not? Let me make it. Say this is your cylinder. Okay. It's difficult to show it here, but you can easily find out still. And
Sir,
yes, please.
so to find out the volume, we do pi r squared times the height.
There's a formula correct, but I'm explaining you why it is. You are right, exactly right. I'm explaining everyone why it is like this. So it's a cylinder, right? Now, this is 1 CD, correct? I'm looking forward. So what is area of 1 CD? Area of 1 disc, I'll say, okay? Is how much you said? Pi r square. Agree? You told me already me. What is r? From this,
Sir, I have a question.
1 second. Of unit height, okay? Of unit width. I'm not assuming width because width is. So, Dhruvan's area of 1 disc of, you can say there's no width at all. It's like this way, unit width. So it is a pi r square or not, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So I'll come to your question. Just let me complete this explanation. So now let me put a different color and you understand what I'm trying to say. Let's say you are putting, you put one CD here, okay? Now like this, you are putting many CDs to fill the full box. Let's say different color also. You are filling this full of the same size till it gets till you fill the full box of this cylindrical shape. I'm just making different color just to show you, but actually it's all same size till you get. You understood, guys? As it's a box, you're keeping one disc on top of the other till you fill it full. So what is happening? You are making this box full means you are filling its capacity, right, Dhruvansh?
Yes, sir.
And suppose you assume the height of the box, either from here to here you count it, or you count from here to here. The height of box is h. So if the unit width CD is there, it will require h disc to complete. That's why you will say, sir, when you fill it completely, it's a volume. Volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r square times h, or pi r square h. Pi r square times h. That is the volume of cylinder because you are filling. This is the meaning of volume. Tell me, Dhruvan, your question now.
So you see, for a CD, like it has a hole in the middle, yeah. So
We are not
do
counting
we
that.
use?
No, we are not counting that. That is like we'll talk about when multiple cylinder. We are counting that. This guy just give the example. I'm not saying like there's a hole between. We are looking for the how to fill the area. You are right. I'm not calculating that there's a hole. That's why I have not made the CD with the hole. You are good. We'll talk about those questions, how to measure that curved surface area and other things later. But what I'm trying to explain the concept is, what is volume means? You're filling this. If you don't assume CD, assume a disc without anything, okay? You're filling the disc. Cool, Dhruvansh?
Yes, sir.
So what is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h. What is r? Radius of the base. What is h? Height of the cylinder. Very easy or not? Volume. pi r square h. Now, some of you may wear bangles. You know bangles, everybody? Correct? So, say this is my, let's say, black. This is Jia's bangle, suppose, right, Jia? If you want to measure the length of this bangle, how much material you took, you will require its area or circumference. What do you think, Jia? Suppose you are making a bangle with, suppose, some thread. You want to know how much long thread is required. Do you want to measure the circumference of the bangle, or you want to measure the area of the bangle? Think, guys. Yes. Whoever want to speak, Naja,
The circumference.
tell me, Naja.
Circumference.
Why circumference?
Because
You were
that's
looking
like the
for,
border.
you're looking for border, right? Bangles. You're looking for from here till this full, how much thread you want to use, right, Jia? So you look circumference. So if I again say it is circular shape with radius r, what is circumference of circle? Formula. Mishita.
Pi times diameter or pi.
Or 2 pi r. Correct? Everybody know that? If I remove this now, see, I'm telling you very interesting thing now, how to use it practically. So if I say, so Jia has taken one bangle. So what will be circumference? 2 pi r. Everybody agree? Jia? This is circumference of one bangle. No, everybody just assume, okay? So this is some kind of cylinder, okay? No, Jia has put one bangle here. One bangle here, one bangle here, one bangle here, one bangle here, one bangle here. Jia is covering the whole curved surface with bangles. Understood, guys, what she is doing? She put one bangle, one more bangle. She is filling the bangle from outside. You covered this full area, correct? And again, how much is the height we have assumed? From here to here? H. So if circumference of one bangle is 2 pi r, what will be total area? This or not? Up to H. One bangle, two bangle, three bangle, number of H. So which area you are covering? You are covering the curved surface area here, or you are covering the total area? Think about it. You are covering with the bangle a cylinder, you are putting the bangles on the surface. So what are you covering here? You are covering only the curved surface, right? You are not covering the flat surface. You are not putting like this something here. You are not putting a disc, right? You are putting only the bangles around the cylinder. So that will be the curved surface or not? Means somebody says, okay, paint only the curved surface. You say, sir, that is known as curved surface area. We call it CSA. Curved surface area will be 2 pi RH. Yes. What is 2 pi RH? Because 2 pi is the circumference of 1 times H. Got it, Beshita? Why we call it curved surface? Because it's covering only the curved surface. It's not covering the flat surface, right? From the top or bottom. Agree, Beshita, Vedant, Kanak? First we talked about volume. What you can keep inside is the capacity. Now we're talking about how you are covering it with a bangles of 2 pi r squares. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Now, everybody think and tell me, if I have to find out total surface area, what I have to consider? I have to consider curved surface plus top surface area, correct? Plus, agree or not? What is total surface area means? Curved one, bottom one, and top one. If all are exactly same cylinder. So total surface area will be composed of 3 different areas, right? Yes or no, everybody? Total
Yes, sir.
surface area. It will be curved surface area plus top surface area plus bottom surface area. How much curved surface area we found? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus top. From top, if you look cylinder from top, how it looks like, Naja?
Circle.
Circle. What is area of circle?
So the area of circle is the pi r squared.
Correct. So pi r square is area of top. And similarly, what will be area of bottom, Jia?
Same as top,
Same.
so pi r squared.
Perfect. So say pi r square because it will look like a circle. So total surface is made up of 3. One is the curved surface, one is the top flat surface, one is the bottom flat surface. We know curved surface, we already found out. 2 pi RH. Sir, 2 pi RH. Top surface, Naja said, sir, circle, pi r square. Bottom surface, Jia said, pi r square. Correct. This is the total. Now, if you want to make it better, pi r square plus pi r square is how much? 2 pi r square. Instead of pi r square, can I write here 2 pi r square? I can cancel this. It will become 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. And if you little maths, if you know everyone, Dhruvansh, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Can I simplify? Can I take something common between both?
Yes, sir.
What will common between the first 2 terms here?
Sir, 2 pi r.
Everybody agree? Because, let me, 2 pi r is common here, 2 pi r is common here. So let me write 2 pi r. Again, this is I'm telling you how to derive the formula. You can mug it up, but I don't want you to mug it. You take a 2 pi r common, 2 pi r is gone. What is remaining? H plus, if you take 2 pi r common, what is remaining? R. Or you write better way, you will say 2 pi r plus h. The area of total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r r plus h. This is how all the 3, there are only 3 formulas for cylinder. But Jia and Kanak and everyone, it's important how the formula comes. You should know what is the meaning of that. Now I'll write all the 3 formulas in one sheet here. Okay, don't worry. This is just to explain. Is concept clear before I write the formula? What is curved surface area? What is total surface area? What is volume? Cool. So let's write down now in fair like this. Write cylinder. R is radius. H is height. Then you will say, sir, volume equal to pi r square h. What is CSA, TSA? You know, understood what I'm trying to say? CSA is curved surface area. Volume we found it was how much volume was, how little volume it said? Pi. Everybody agree this is what volume we said earlier? How much curved surface area we said? Correct, 2 pi RH. And how much total surface area we said just now? 2 pi r. I want everyone to write down like this. CSA is curved surface area. TSA is total surface area. But you know, more than for you should know why it came like that. Write down, everybody. Done? Is everyone cool? Now if I make a cylinder, now, and if I say okay, no, I'm not going to tell you what. You decide what. I'm going to just write the diagram. Let's see who does what. From here to here, I'll tell you. And from if I say this is 7 centimeter. If I say this 10 centimeter. First of all, first question number 1 is how much water this cylinder can hold. Tell me, you're going to find volume, cut surface area, or TSA. Tell me first, Vedant, what you will find out in this first question? How much water this cylinder can hold?
Sir,
We'll
the
try to find
volume,
volume. Why volume, Vedant?
because
Volume means
the volume
capacity.
is
Volume means
capacity of
capacity.
yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Everybody knows how to find out volume from this? Can you try, everybody? What is radius? What is height? Naja, in this diagram, how much is the height of cylinder and how much is the radius of cylinder? Naja?
Sir, 10 centimeter is the height and 7 centimeter is the radius.
Correct. Jia, what formula you will use?
We would use the 2 pi r squared. No, 2 pi r h.
Why? Why are you finding CSA?
No, sorry.
Ah.
We're finding the volume, so
So
pi
how much-
r squared.
Can everybody calculate and tell me? You are right. Volume is pi r square h. Take pi h 22/7. We all know, right? How much water the cylinder can hold? We'll say volume equal to pi 22/7 times r square. What is r? 7 correct? Times how much is h? 10. Solid 7 and 7 gone. 22 into 7 into 10. Are we getting 1540?
Yes, sir.
What is 1540 unit?
Just centimeter cube.
Centimeter cube. But you are correct, guys. But guys, no, I'll tell you something very important we should know. You can say, sir, volume is 1540 cubic centimeter. Very perfect. Or generally we measure water or liquid into liters, right? So everybody write down this. I'm writing on the top. 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. That is the rule. Or that is the unit conversion. 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. So tell me now, that is for every question. 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. So if I get volume as 1540 cubic centimeter, how much liter it is?
1.54.
That's it. So you can say, sir, this cylinder can hold 1.54 liters of water. See how easy it is? Right, Priyanka? Kanak? Cool? Any question, Kanak?
No, sir.
Good. Priyanka, all good? Now, no, Mishita is good, clear? 1540. No, Mishita said, sir. Mishita is a naughty. So what Mishita want is, Mishita says, sir, I want to. Listen very carefully. Shall I erase this?
Can I just have 2 minutes? Maybe 2
Yes,
minutes?
please. I'm just going to. Okay, then I erase it. Write the second question on here only. So this much water hold means capacity, the volume. That is important. Every question cylinder requires that.
Sir,
Yes, please, Kanak.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Will you get a different answer if you do 3.14 instead of 22 over
You will get
7?
it same. See, you'll get it same, but you get little different because Kanak 3.14 is again approximated, right?
Yeah.
You get little different. You may get 1.53 or 1.55. That's fine. Doesn't matter. So Kanak, it always like if we are able to cancel easily, then take 22 by 7. If you don't able to cancel, you love decimal, then take 3.14. Both are almost same. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
I'm done.
Done. Now, the next question I'm going to ask here is Mishita. Okay. So what Mishita want is, but before that I wanted to, shall I erase the formula? You all know this, guys? Because why I should unnecessarily show you formula? You know it now. So this cylinder is there. Question is this: Mishita want or wanted to paint the cylinder from outside in red color. How much color in square centimeter? Okay. Will she need? She want to paint only the curved surface. Okay. Want to paint the cylinder curved surface. Okay. So that no confusion. Can you find out now? Tell me, Mishita, to everyone, you need volume here, you need TSI, you need CSI. And why?
Curved surface area.
She need only curved surface area. So tell Priyanka, what is the formula for curved surface area?
Sir, 2 pi r h.
Curved surface area is given by 2 pi r h. Can everybody find out now, please? How much color she need? Easy, right? Very easy. Right, Dhruvansh? Kanak, easily doable. Everybody write answer on chat, please. And whenever you write the answer, you have to always write the units.
Oh, so
Yes, please.
so it says 2 pi. So would it be like 22 over 7 times 22 over 7?
No, it is not square. It is 2 times. 2 times pi times
Oh, okay.
r times h. Correct, everybody? What the answer you got, Priyanka?
Sir, I am solving.
Solve it. I want everyone to do it. Naja got it. Kanak got it. Dhruvansh got it. Mishita got it. This much area of color she will need. 7 and 7 cancel. 22 to 44. 440 square centimeter. Cool. 440 square centimeter. Correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, how many square centimeter is 1 liter?
No, because liter is a cubic unit. Centimeter square is a square unit. No comparison.
Okay, sir.
But since I told you 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, I also can tell you 1 meter cube. 1 cubic meter equal to 1000 liters. Cubic meter is too big, guys. So both you can, this is for volume. Okay, you can write it. 1 cubic meter is 1000 liters if you want. Now what Kanak want is, if I change this question, guys, let's see. If I change this question, Kanak wanted to paint a cylinder cut surface both from outside and inside. In red color. How much color you need? Can you try to find out? I'll just take a call. Can everybody try and solve it, please? I'll just take one call. So please tell me how much color in area Kanak will need to paint this cylinder. Naja says 880, Kanak says 880. Kanak, explain to all of us why you need 880 square centimeter. You are correct. Yes, Kanak.
Because the outside is 440, so then you just times it by 2.
Right,
For the
because the
inside?
outside curved area and inside curved area will be equal. You are right. So 440 plus 440 or 440 times 2. Very nice. So everybody got understood why I'm doing this practical question, because it's not about formulas. It's about how to apply. Very good, Kanak and everyone. 880 square centimeter. Perfect. Cool. Now, question number 4th. Vedant. Vedant want to paint whole cylinder from outside using blue color. How much color he will need in square centimeter? Or how much area of color he will need? The idea is same. Tell me, what you're going to do now, Vedant? You're finding TSA, CSA, volume, or what?
Is it all of them?
Yes, whole cylinder. So you assume that the cylinder looks white. You want to make the whole cylinder blue from outside. So I don't want the numbers, Vedant. I want to know what you will do now. You will find out volume, you find out CSA, you find out TSA. Any idea?
Okay, so
Who want to
first
tell me? Yes, please.
the volume.
Volume is capacity. Mishita, what he will need? Volume, total surface area, or cut surface area?
Total surface area.
Explain why.
Because you'll find he needs to paint the outside.
You
like
want to paint it
all
outside of the full, means top also, bottom also. Right, Vedant? So you
Yes.
need total surface area. Everybody can calculate and tell me how much total surface area? What is the formula we are going to use, Naja?
Sir, 2 pi r
2
into
pi r into.
r plus height.
Very nice. Find out, everybody, please. That's it. Two. Pi, I'll take 22/7, which is easy to cancel because r is 7 only. Times r. Times r plus h. 10 plus 7, 70. It becomes 44 times 17. Everybody agree? 17, 4, 34, 68, 8, 6 carries, 17, 4, 68, 68, and 6 is how much?
748.
748 square centimeter. Cool. And then Jia said, no, Vedant, paint it from inside also. So no, Jia went to Vedant and said, no, Vedant, from inside looks white, it's not good. Let make it whole blue from inside outside. What will Jia, how much color he will need now? Tell me, Jia.
Times 2, so you do
Times
times
2.
2. because-
That's it. Because the TSA volume, TSA will be just double of it. Is everyone clear? Perfect. Now I'm going to ask you one challenge question, okay? Is everyone ready here? Now I'm going to ask a challenge question. Dhruvans is more advanced. He said, no, sir. I have this cylinder, but unfortunately I lost his cover, the top cover. Dhruvans, it can happen, right, Dhruvans? Usually it's kind of as a box, cylinder box, dustbin, whatever. He said, sir, we have lost the top cover itself. And I want to paint the whole cylinder from outside with say green color. No, I don't want the numbers here. He said, I want to paint the whole cylinder, but it doesn't have the cover, top cover. The lid. You call it lid or whatever. He want to paint the whole box or cylinder. So what he will need, guys? Volume, TSA, CSA, or something else. Think about it, then Dhruvansh will answer. He doesn't have the top cover. It's open. It's an open cylinder, right? Like a dustbin. You know, so you see dustbin, right? How dustbin are there cylindrical? Base is there, but there is nothing on top. Right, Naja? So no, he said he is a dustbin kind like a cylinder. He want to paint it fully from outside. So tell everyone, you need CSA, you need TSA, you need volume, or you need something different.
Sir, I think we'll use lateral surface area, but we'll keep one of the
Yes.
circles of the cylinder.
Correct. Explain, Dhruvan, everybody why. You are right. Why?
So you see lateral surface area, you remove the
Curved
top
surface
and
area.
comes.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
it
lateral
comes.
surface area, curved surface area same. In lateral it is flat, is curved is circle. Correct. Continue.
So here, like we have lost the top part and the bottom part is still there. But in the curved surface area, both the top and bottom parts are not there. So we can use the curved surface area and add the bottom part included in it.
Correct. If it's open cylinder, you are very right. If it's open cylinder like a dustbin, okay, from outside, okay, which is not have cover, without cover or without lid,
Sorry, a
then
question.
it's then 1 second, then surface area to be painted is curved surface area plus bottom surface area only, correct? 1 second. What is curved surface area? We found out already. 2 pi RH. Right, Naja? Dhruvansh? plus you will not do 2 pi r square, you will do only pi r square. And that should be the answer. Numbers are not important. Everybody agree or not? Do you want to ask me your question now?
Sir, it's all I wanted to ask you the formula was right or not.
That you are right. Absolutely right. So guys, cylinder, everything you can do with this just because you know the concept. What is total surface area? What is curved surface area? What is volume? See, I know you read the formula, you can do it. You know where the more student struggles, Naja and Mishita, everyone. The more student struggles when they see the question in the words, or they start thinking, oh, is it TSA or CSA or volume? That's why I want to put more focus on imagination and visualization, where what to use. Otherwise, it's right formulas, right, Mishita? It's very simple. But you also imagine what it is. If it's a hollow cylinder, not top from bottom, then what Mishita will do? It's a hollow cylinder with nothing on top, nothing on bottom. Then will TSA, CSA will be equal or not? Tell Mishita. If it's a hollow cylinder, no lid on the top, no on the base, will total surface area and curved surface area are equal or not equal?
Wait, did you say there is a base?
But there is nothing. It's just this. It's open from both sides.
Oh, curved surface area.
Curved surface area and total surface area will be same, right?
Oh,
There is nothing on base and top. Agree? Like suppose if you take a paper, do you see paper in my hand? If I make a cylinder like this, do you see cylinder? No, it doesn't have any, nothing here. So for this cylinder, Mishita, the curved surface area, total surface area will be equal or not? Right, Mishita? Jia? If this kind of cylinder is there, it's called hollow cylinder, hollow. Okay? This is what I want to say. Now, cone is very easy. Cone is, what is cone look like? Let's see. The cone look like somewhere like this. Can you give me 2 examples of cone in your real life? Priyanka will give 1 and Jia will give 1. Real life example of cone. Priyanka.
so the ice cream cone.
आइसक्रीम, उसको आइसक्रीम ही पसंद है, मुझे पता था आइसक्रीम ही बोलने वाली. Good. Jia, 1 more.
I was gonna say the same thing, but
But there's 1 more at least.
Traffic cone.
Yes, very good, Mishita. 1 more, anybody?
Sir,
Yes, Naja.
so this paper cone we get when we eat that like churmuri and all.
Naja like that. Okay, 1 more example.
also birthday hats like the
Jia want to hear that joker, that birthday hat. Is it? It's all our cones, right, guys? So cone. So tell me now. Tell me, Dhruvansh, if you look cone, the cone I am showing you, if you look it from the bottom, how to look like?
Sir, it will look like a sphere, but it will be going downhill and we'll be beating at one point.
So from bottom it was a circular, right? So bottom surface is circular. And what about the other surface? It's a curved one, right? Right, Dhruvansh?
Yeah.
So everything will be curved, only the bottom will be flat, circular. Agree? Now the interesting thing is, as you said, look over, this is a circle. Said the radius of the circle is R. Okay, everybody? R is the radius of the base of the cone. And let's say from this tip to the center point, there is the height of cone. Everybody agree this is how height, right? If Jia put her joker hat on the table, from table base till the tip of it, there will be height or not? So let's say height of cone is h. R is the radius of the base. Now, there is one thing very important. Okay, let me make it a proper thing here. Now, one thing is very important, okay? This was center.
Sir.
Yes, and this is known as slanted face. Slant height. What is called as? What do you mean by slant height? Which is not straight, it's slanting. Let's say slanting height is L. Now, can you tell me, guys? We have learned triangle. Which kind of triangle you can see this? Will it be right angle triangle or not? The triangle I am forming this. Say this is A. This is B. This is C. Which triangle ABC is? Is it right angle triangle? Why? Because from the base, the height will be perpendicular or not? Jia? Vedant, Kanak? From the base, the height will be perpendicular, right? Always. So, can anybody tell me what is the relationship between H, L and R? We learned triangles. Anybody can tell me relation between H, L and R? H is the height, R is the radius, L is the slant height. Yes, Dhruvansh.
So it's the Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras? How will you apply Pythagoras theorem here?
So h square plus r square is equal to L square.
Correct. H square plus R square equal to L square, because L is the hypotenuse, right here, guys? That is what it is.
Sir.
Slant, yes, please.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Sure. So L square equal to H square plus square, because L is the hypotenuse, H is the height, R is the base or radius. L square equal to H square plus square. No, you know one basic experiment. Sure, Vedant. So one, so I'll tell you one thing, Naja, Priyanka, Kanak, everyone. The Greek scientists, right? You know what they have done here? They have taken one cylinder and they have taken one cone. Okay? Listen very carefully, guys, because I want to ask a question. The Greek scientists took one cylinder and one cone. The height of both will be was same, okay? And the radius of base also was same. So they took one cylinder and one cone of same radius and same height. What they have done is, they filled the cone with water, they put cone water into cylinder. They again filled the cone with water, they put the water into cylinder. Again they put together 3 times. 3 times they filled the cone and put this water into cylinder, cylinder was full. Or you can say, if you put 3 cones of water into cylinder, cylinder will be full. From that, can you find a relation between what is volume of cone and volume of cylinder? If I say volume of cone is 10, what is volume of cylinder? Yes, Naja, Dhuvansh?
Sir,
Yes, please.
it will be 10 into 3 because it's
Yes. So what? Who has more volume? Cylinder has more volume. So from the experiment, what we found out, this is an experiment you do at your home. Volume of cylinder will be 3 times the volume of cone, right? This is what Naja, Dhruvansh, right, Dhruvansh? Because 3 times you
Yes.
fill the cone and fill the cylinder. So volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of cone. What is the formula of volume of cylinder?
Sir, pi r squared times
Pi r
height.
square h, right, Vedant?
Yeah.
Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. If you divide by 3, what you get? You get volume of cone. Because volume of cone will be 1/3 of volume of. So that is the formula of volume of cone. No need to mug it up. Volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Got everybody? Naja, Kanak, Jia. Volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Now, the slanted surface of cone is the curved surface area, correct? The curved surface area, right, everybody? The CSA of cone is given by pi RL. Pi RL. That is the formula. Pi RL is the curved surface area of cone. Pi times R times L. What is L here, Jia?
Slanted height.
Slanted height. What slanted
slanted
height
height.
means, Jia? What is meaning of slanted height, Jia?
Like,
Suppose you imagine, Jia, that birthday cap, okay? And tell me that.
it's like half of the height.
No, nothing, no half. No, it will be more than height. No. Can anybody explain me practically on the screen? Take any example of ice cream cone or the birthday cap or that traffic signal, that cone, and what is slanted height. I want any one of you to explain, all of us. Yes, Dhruvansh. Can you explain? If anybody has joker head in the room, because I forgot my somewhere. You can explain. Anybody can bring the object which looks like cone. Anybody can bring and explain.
Sir, I have a piece of paper.
Yes, please make it and show to everyone what is slanted height, because that is a very important concept. Very nice, Dhruvansh. Guys, Dhruvansh is doing the experiment now. See. Yes, please, Dhruvansh.
So, sir, like this is the cone.
Yes.
And
Guys,
like
look
the
at the board. Priyanka, Mishita, look at the board. Yes.
And so just
So,
yeah,
tip,
so the slanted line is this one.
yes, from top, that you can say tilted line. From
This one
top,
over here.
the tip, the way you show pencil, that is the slanted height. And what is the normal height? You put the pencil straight.
This one.
Yes. See the understand? Show again. This is very nice, Dhruvansh. You put it straight on the base, it's a height. Pencil like
So-
this, it's a slant. Can you speak, Dhruvansh, again to everyone with the example?
Okay, so this one is the slanted line, and this one is the height of the cone.
Cool. So now tell me, Mishita or Jia, slanted height will be bigger or just the height will be bigger?
Just the height.
Slanted height is bigger,
No.
na? Array,
That is
Jia. Yes.
Sorry. So
Slanted height.
slanted height would be bigger than just the height.
Is everyone understood? Thank you, Dhruvansh, for your experiment. Understood, everybody? Naja? That is how it is. So slanted height, and the radius. And as Dhruvansh already said, the relationship is L square is equal to R square plus H square. Cool. So let's come back to, now we talked about volume, we talked about CSA. Now can anybody imagine, I am not going to tell you, can imagine and can somebody tell me how much will be total surface area? Let's see who can tell me. CSA we know, how much will be total surface area of cone? Yes, Naja?
Sir, the CSA plus the surface area of the circle.
Very good. How much is that? So it will be CSA, which is pi RL.
And
It will write different color. Tell me, how much is area of circle? You know that?
yeah,
Area of circle the formula easy है ना, देखना थोड़ी notebook में.
it's pi into r square.
So pi RL plus pi R squared. Everybody agree or not? Because what is total surface area? The curved surface plus the base. So if you make it a formula in a better way, you take pi common, you take R common. Inside will be R plus L, and that is TSA. So volume we know 1/3, CSA we know pi RL, and TSA we know pi R and bracket R plus L. Please ask me any question in terms of cone. No question? See, it's about understanding. Shall I erase? Because I want you to do one question quickly. If I say cone is there, height is 3 centimeter, radius 4 centimeter. What is the volume? Can you find out volume, guys? Tell me, Kanak, what formula you're going to use for volume?
Pi r squared height divided by over 3.
Correct. Pi r square h divided by 3. Correct, well, everybody? Because we know it is 1/3 of cylinder. So tell me, Kanak, how will substitute 1/3 times pi? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Times r. 4 times 4
4.
and h. Now I'm not going to solve this. That is what numbers you can find out, right? Everybody agree? 1/3 pi r square h. Tell Mishita how will you find out curved surface area. Which formula are you going to use, Mishita?
Pi times radius times slanted height.
Pi times radius. You can say pi RL. That is good. You are right. Now, do we know L, Mishita? Do we know slanted height here?
No.
So how will you find out slanted height? Tell everyone, Mishita.
You would do 3 squared plus.
So we know L square equal to, you are right. You will do L square equal to R square plus H square. What is R square? 16. What is L square? Sorry, H square? 16.
9.
9. What is 16 plus 9?
25.
L square is 25. Then what is L?
5.
Wow. Got it, guys? Listen very carefully. In cone, you have to find out slanted height using the radius and height. Tell me, Dhruvansh.
So can the volume and stuff be in like fractions?
It has to be, it will be fraction most probably. It will always be fraction or decimal. Fraction is better. You can always keep it in fraction or decimal. Lot of books expect decimals. Lot of people expect to that doesn't matter actually.
Oh, okay.
But it is very rare that you get a round number. It will always be some fractional number or some decimals. That's fine. So pi is 22/7, R is 4, L is 5. Done. Cool, everyone. How you find TSA? Who will tell me how you find TSA? Who will tell me the formula? Any one of you? Naja want to say, Dhruvan want to say, Jia want to say, but I want Priyanka to say. Priyanka is
Yes, sir.
trying
So
now.
pi RL
Okay.
plus HR square.
Pi r square, not HR square. Right? It was pi RL plus pi r square, na?
Yes, sir.
Or pi r plus L. Everybody agree with this formula or not? Right, Priyanka? So put the pi value. Put the r value. times R plus L. 4 plus 5, 9. That's it. You can simplify later, but the idea is that is about TSA. 22 by 7 into 4 into 9. Agree? It's all about 3 formulas, but how formula came, I told you. Height of cone, radius of cone, slanted height of cone, volume, CSA, TSA. Any question? Now tell me, shall I erase this? No? Okay. So GI, write it till I ask another question on the right side on black. Okay. Let's see who can answer very quickly on chat. If volume of cylinder is 33 cubic meter, how much will be volume of cone? Find out. With same radius and height. With same radius and height, how much will be volume of cone? Write down quickly. Let's see. No answer yet? Oh, I got the answers now. Okay, okay. Yes, Dhruvansh, Najha, Vedant. The volume of cylinder is 33 cubic meter, right, Kanak? It is meter, that's it, guys. It is meters. 11 cubic meter. The right answer is 11 cubic meter. Correct. Yeah, correct. Very easy or not, guys? And last thing is sphere. Sphere everybody knows, right? Sphere. Is a sphere 2D or 3D object? Jia? Sphere is 2D or 3D? It's a 3D because sphere has a breadth, width, height. So sphere is a very simple formula. You know why? Say radius is R because there is only radius in the sphere, right? Can somebody tell me? It's a common sense. If sphere and radius are, how much will the height of the sphere? Yes, Dhruvansh?
Will the height, breadth, and width of the sphere be the same, or
Yes,
will they be different?
it will be same. That's why sphere. It's symmetrical from all sides, right? All views, right?
Yeah. So, is an egg considered as a sphere or not?
Egg is not. Egg is not.
Okay.
It's a cricket ball, football, right?
Yeah.
Balls, tennis ball. Those are spheres. Egg is like oval kind of shape, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why you question the yes, all those length, breadth, height will be same. So assume the ball is there. Anybody have ball in your house, in your room, in house? Can you bring anyone, any ball? I have a lot of balls. Bring if anybody, I'll bring my ball. Let me get one ball. I have this ball. If somebody is getting it, Gia is getting it. Gia is getting it. No,
I couldn't find it.
I have that. I was playing from the ball from yesterday only. Just give me 1 second. I'll bring it.
Sir, I got one.
1 second. So I'm back. Just one last. I'll take 2-3 minutes more and we are done. Do you see this ball? In my hand, cricket ball. Say the radius is r. Okay. Say the radius is r. Can you tell me, guys? I'm just asking you. Everybody, open your mic. This is height. My 2 fingers. This is the height of the ball or not?
Yes, sir.
In terms of radius, how much it will be? Can you tell me? Radius is r. So how much will be height?
It will be 2r.
With 2r. Wow. How? How, Dhruvansh?
Sir, because radius is like from one point to the other point, yeah. So if
From the
we,
center. So this is I'm talking about diameter, correct?
yeah,
This
Yes,
is
sir.
2r. Guys, this is imagination, right? We know radius is r. Height. I can say height like this also, but everything will be 2r. Are you asking me, sir? Yes. All width, height, all will be same. All will equal to 2r. Correct? Everybody agree why g height is 2r? Height? Perfect. So radius is r. Generally, you don't talk about height, but I tell you concept. Height is 2r. Agree or not? So, guys, the volume of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. That's the formula. 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is the volume of the sphere.
sir,
Yes, please.
sir, can we convert like 4.3 into decimal and then put the decimal pi r cube?
You can do that. 1.33333. But this is better. So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now tell me Kanak, tell me Priyanka, tell me Vedant, or tell me Mishita. This ball or the sphere has any flat surface or all curved surface? What do you think?
All curved.
All
All
curved. So now you tell me, guys, all curved, right, Jia? So now tell me, guys, the CSA and TSA will be equal here or different?
Equal.
Equal, because TSA and CSA are same. There is no flat surface, right? So that is why, and guys, it is considered as, that is the rule. The CSA or TSA is equal to 4 times, guys, this is a practical again, is equal to 4 times the area of a circle. How much is 4 times the area of circle? That is the concept. 4 times area of circle. That's it. So sphere is that. Cool. The sphere curved surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Is easy or difficult? Very easy. Sphere, hemisphere. So that is about mensuration. Okay. I'm going to send you the homework. If tomorrow is a class, then we'll homework next week. If tomorrow is not the class, then I will tell you homework on this. But it's all easy, right? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Hemisphere is out half of that, right? So if Gia cut this ball like this, it becomes hemisphere. Correct? Volume will become half of that. But then the flat surface will come. Do you know that, Gia? You cut it, then flat surface will come half. That's different. That will learn in higher class. Any question before we close? Cool. This is a very easy topic. It's more visualization. Calculation is straightforward. You have to visualize what? Okay. So now, tell me. Still, so tomorrow class I'll confirm. As of now it's okay. But if tomorrow I have planned to go somewhere, then we'll cancel. Or if any one of you or two of you has some late night parties tonight, then we'll cancel tomorrow. Cool. So enjoy. Have a very, 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 very nice and happy year, guys. Okay. Wish you all the best for New Year and do lot of
Happy New Year, sir.
Bye, sir. Happy
Thank you so much.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Happy
sir.
New
Thank you,
Year.
sir. Happy New Year.
So
Happy New Year.
do party very hard today. Okay. Bye.